Welcome back to Hasu and Teju. This is Teju, and do you know what today's drawing is? It is in Disney Frozen. Try to guess characters in Frozen or Frozen 2. Who knows? Okay, so here are the characters I know: Anna, Elsa, Kristoff, Olaf, Hans. He's a bad guy. It could be, if you watch Frozen 2, it could be the forest, the magical forest. Otto Holland, that's also in Frozen 2. There's like a lot more stuff in Frozen. I don't even know. So here's what the mystery character in Frozen is. It's so cute. He's jolly and he's a he. He is Olaf. Oh, cute, jolly Olaf. So today we're going to be drawing Olaf. So what are we waiting for? Let's draw this cute, jolly Olaf. Come on, don't be shy. So first we're going to draw Olaf's eye. So at the top of our paper, we're going to draw one huge circle one, not that huge, like about this size. And then draw his people. It's just like kind of like a circle, but not really a circle. Just like that, and color it in. Ooh, color. I'm just gonna like make some borders because that's kind of like how I do. Like it just makes me simple color, so it just makes it simple. That's how I do it. You may have different methods. But I like to do it this way. Black. Now we're gonna draw his carrot nose. Ooh. I'm just kind of like draw a C, not that like a C, and then draw one like a curve and stop, and then one smaller curve and then stop. And then to draw his bottom, we're gonna do kind of like draw a curve to the inside and matching to the end. And to make his carrot nose look real, you're gonna put some lines on the top. Just like that. They're kind of also curved because they are curved to make it look like a carrot. So to draw his other eye, we're just gonna draw like a semicircle because his eye is like going under his nose. And if your eye is like kind of like down, you can just like shade it like that. And his second pupil, you can just like draw half of an eye. Mixes. Okay. There is Olaf's two eyes and one carrot nose. Now let's draw Olaf's big jolly smile. So from the carrot nose, like right here, we're gonna draw a little curve. And then from that curve, we're gonna draw like a huge smile. And then if you want, you can make a cheek line, like this. So now we're gonna draw Olaf, one, two, that always sticks out. One jolly two, just like that. Isn't it looking jolly? Now his smile. His smile is gonna go all the way down, and then right into his cheek. So it can look like Olaf is speaking while he's looking somewhere, like to Elsa or Anna. Who knows? Okay. Now we're gonna draw his head. We can draw one straight line like this. Not too long, not too short, just medium size. And then draw his head and going all the way down and stop. And then from here, we're kind of attach. Oh, don't forget Olaf's jolly sticks right up on the top. 1, 2, and 3. So one stick, kind of like twigs, and then the second one, and then the second one. Now we're gonna also draw Olaf's eyebrows. It just shows expressions of Olaf. See? He's like, oh, Anna, look! So that's why his mouth is open and his eyebrows are like raising up. When we drew the eyebrows, his eyebrows like raising up. And the mouth was open. I was like, Anna, look, there's a hole. Oh my gosh. So let's keep drawing. Let's draw Olaf's body now. Starting from here, we're gonna draw one huge snowball. Well, it's not actually made of snow though. One snowball, just like that. And then draw one button. Whoop, just like that. And then another bigger snowball, but actually made of drawing paper. And then draw two more giant circles. This one's kind of small because it has to get some room. Well, yours may be big, so yeah. Now let's draw his jolly, feet. Well, not really jolly since it says feet, but I would say. So, one leg over there, and the second one over there. Look at that. Now, his hands, so he can show where he's pointing to, where there's a hole. So I'm gonna actually, make him like saying something, but I'm just gonna make him saying hi, so I can put the other hand like saying hi. Now his fingers, we can draw 4 fingers. Starting with pinky, just like that. They're kind of small, so you might want to put it a little bit closer. Just like that. Now I can make his second hand going like waving. And you're gonna see how this turns out. Sooner or better. Just like that. Now let's draw his his hand waving. So I'm gonna go up like hand. So up, down, down, up. And then his thumb. He's like waving, like jolly, happy, hi. So if you want, you can just put like a little hi mark over here. Like, hi. So you can put like a little air mark if you like. So now, you know what? This Olaf needs some color. So let's start with his carrot nose. Ooh, I'm gonna use this kind of orange. Oh, it's really glowing. Oh my god. Color. And done. Okay, so now let's go on to his 2 hands, which are brown. So I'm gonna take brown and color. Color his little tiny teeny fingers, try not to get out. And another color hand. Now look at that. Look at this. Now let's take our black. So now let's take our black and color in his buttons. Remember, for coloring, I really like to do borders. Now let's go into our second button. Now our third, or should I say Olaf's third button. So Olaf's 3 buttons are done and Olaf is done. Okay, so our Olaf is ready. So hello, Anna and Elsa. Olaf, but they're not there. Maybe they can be on Louie. gonna be acting in a movie right now. Say hi to my YouTube watchers, okay? Hi, BJ's YouTube watchers. How are you? So you may respond, we're fine, we're good, we're okay. No. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye! Bye! Come back here. Hi, bye.